Let's start with the character sketch of Crocker Harris. We did the lesson yesterday and finished it, and now we need to discuss some points. Crocker Harris. So, what type of character? Because this is the most important character sketch, the protagonist of the lesson, you can say protagonist. I also told you that the most silent character, he himself doesn't come forward and speak. Am I audible to you? Please confirm. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you. Now let's see. He is the protagonist and the most important character who is being talked throughout the lesson. Right? And there is indirect comments. Maybe of Frank, maybe of more importantly, Pablo. But still he remains the most important character. Right? And not at all a sadist, disciplinarian, stern and strict. Please write down stern and strict. Did not divulge or reveal, did not reveal the remove, did not reveal the result or the remove to the students and considered it as the duty of the authorities of the institution to declare. He did not take this responsibility in his hand when it was not his. Now, how about his behavior? Like little, if we try to look into his mind more, he did not like to be liked, did not like to be appreciated and liked. At times, shriveled up. At times, he did not open up. Okay, so did not like to be liked. Now, when I'm writing in points, you don't have to write in points. You will have to elaborate the character sketch in a form of a paragraph, say for 80 words. A little longer paragraph, not just 2-3 lines, 30 to 40 words. Whenever you read a chapter, whether it is class 11th or 12th, character sketches are must. They give you ideas to frame other answers also. I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, disciplinarian, stern and strict, not at all a sadist, did not reveal the result to the students, did not like to be like. One or two points more that we can do. What were those points? Taught classical languages like Greek and Latin languages, Greek, right? Then moreover, in the first and foremost point, you can write a middle-aged schoolmaster who was very responsible, and he is a character who impresses the readers. Even not being present in the lesson, he creates his presence. Rattigan has created this character with a lot of influence, right? So this is the skill of the creator who created this character. That is the playwright Terence Rattigan, right? Clear? So character sketch of Crocker Harris might be clear now. Responses awaited. Responses awaited. Clear? Speak up. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Point which you do not understand.
Yes, ma'am.
3, 4, 5 points, 6 points are enough to write a paragraph of 80 to 100 words. Right? So the next question, if you have noted down, very good. Right? Now, the next question. If this is not clear, I can write this side also. He did not like to be liked. Did not like to be liked. Okay? I'm rubbing this. Now we'll do one more, thing from this lesson. That is, when we are talking of character sketches, we'll write the character sketch of Frank Hunter, or simply the young science teacher, science master. So he taught, what did he teach? Who will tell me? Anyone? Voluntarily speak up first. He taught
Science.
he dealt science scholars. Second, a young science teacher or a young scholar, schoolmaster who taught science. So young, you can add young point, right? You can say symbol of or representing youth, not the middle-aged teacher, but the young class of teachers. Then second, he encouraged, the first point, he encouraged Taplow to speak against or to know more about Proctor Harris. He was jealous of Proctor Harris. He was jealous of the influence of the influence that Proctor Harris had on boys or students. Next, anyone who can tell some point about Frank Hunter, right? Or just Mr. Frank or Master Frank? Any point that is coming in your mind? Yes, Pragya, Kevin, Shivang, anyone? Okay. Any volunteer?
Ma'am, he was a teacher. Then also he asked the student to bunk the class.
Who? Frank? Yes.
Frank.
Very good. He was a teacher. He should have
Told him to bunk the class.
Yes, to have a cut. He suggested this little Taplow to take a cut. He said, why don't you take a cut? Why don't you go? Himself being a teacher, despite being a teacher, even like despite a teacher, yet, or just despite being a teacher, he suggested Taplow to leave and have fun outside, to leave, right? What else? Very good. Who spoke this? Pragya spoke? Very good. Okay. Now, okay. Any other point? Yes. Shivang, you are trying to speak something? Shivang, check your system. Am I audible? Shivang, your voice is not coming. Someone else, please speak. Let us check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now it is coming. So the point that you feel that this is suitable, very apt for the character sketch of Frank Hunter. In this lesson, you need to prepare character sketch of Proctor Harris, the first question. Character sketch of Frank, the second question. The third I'll discuss with you right now, but let us complete this. One concluding point we want. Conclusions are always, wonderful to end the things. Now, he taught science, fine, he was a young teacher. He, despite being a teacher, he did not like his subject. The work that you're doing, you're not liking it. There is less of, this shows that less of responsibility and integrity towards the work that you're doing, profession you have chosen for yourself. He said to Taplow, I don't like the science that I teach. Remember? And moreover, carefree. Could have taught wonderful life lessons in that particular time slot to Tableau, but was interested in the frivolous part of life, a frivolous aspect of the things. That is, he was more interested in jokes being cracked more interested in jokes. Remember, what was most interested in the imitation being done by Tableau? That how did your teacher said to you, my dear Tableau, I have given you whatever you deserve. And he asked him twice. So he was interested in frivolous things. You have your dictionaries. If not, keep e-dictionaries on your screens, on your computer systems and all, and check the meaning of the word frivolous first. And you will come to know that yes, he was a frivolous character. Like, who was keeping unimportant things as important and important things as unimportant. When you interact with a student or a group of students, you can teach them n number of things. Soon they'll be connected with you. But he was interested more in other things about the other teacher. Do you agree to this? Is it so or not? Responses awaited. Give quick response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, the play is a beautiful example to peep into human behavior. Let me tell you one thing, whether you read a drama is actually a, you can say, genre. Like, play is the part of that drama studies and all. So if it is a prose lesson like the portrait of a lady, or it is a poetry or in your book like photograph, or father to son, or childhood, or it is a play like the Browning version or any other form of literature. Every form will allow you, every piece of writing by that great writer, author, poet, playwright, dramatist, sonneteer, lyricist, will allow you, will give you an opportunity to look into human nature, human behavior, how people react, reactions. What you imbibe is what you have to do and not. As a real life lesson through literature, literature is the mirror for society. How I define literature, or these writing pieces by great authors, popular authors, not very popular authors, but something is there which is to be imbibed by the people. Okay, so here we finish with these, and the minor character Millie is also there. Millie Crocker Harris. She is also frivolous to suggest the boy to leave. Then he is more interested in giving him the work. She is also light and frivolous type of character who is not concerned about the studies and the concern that her husband has shown for the student. He's completely different than what her husband is, right? Being, she should have been integrated, like her husband has called some student for extra class. It was like demotivating, not motivating, that take this prescription and do this work and I take the blame. She even agreed to take the blame. So this way we can write about minor character. All three characters, but major characters are these two. Now coming to an important thing, which is now we will pick up first. That is, shall I rub this? Or you wish to note down something? Shall I rub?
Yes.
Okay. Now, humor in the play. What do you understand by humor? Hilariousness. Humor in the play, the Browning version. What is this word? Is there anything funny in the play? Discuss that funny part of the play. Now, when I'm writing these arrows and making these points, you will not write the answers in the exam like this. You will create a paragraph and that paragraph form answers will be written in English. In SST, in other subjects, I don't know, we write in points, other subjects, sciences and all, but in English, we discuss value points. These are value points. But we write in answers, we have learned these things in junior classes also. I'm just making a revision of this. So let's discuss the humor in the play, the Browning version. What is the humorous part? Tableau himself is a humorous character. Very humorous when he's worried about his result. Very humorous thing. He creates a humorous scene before the readers. And when he's afraid of his remove, he thinks that he'll not get his result only. He'll not take an extra class, and that makes me smile, makes the readers smile. And have little fun with the students' mentality, students' psychology. That student is afraid, a little nervousness is there when the results are about to come. Even if it was class 5th or class 10th, or even if they have done very well, but they get nervous little bit. Agree? And it brings a smile on our faces. Once your results are declared, imagine the nervousness that you were having early in the morning, and after 12 o'clock when the results were declared, is that nervousness that doesn't make you smile and laugh a little bit inside, that how I was feeling in the morning. So there's little hilariousness, the way, and moreover the comments that are being made, the mimicry, the imitation, comments, the imitation that is being made by, that is being done by whom? Tableau is little humorous. Then the way that imitation is being done is also equally, that part I'm discussing in this second point. So you can elaborate this point into 3 lines and create your answer, that what are the humorous things in the play. And what is that humorous thing? Millie Crocker Harris entry in the play is humorous. She comes with a basket, and whatever her motive is, but she sends the boy out. The boy who was worried about his extra class is being relieved to play golf and go and enjoy and have fun outside. Though there is a serious note in humor, there is sometimes the serious things are conveyed with humorous things. The satire is conveyed with humor, with the help of humor. When I'm using humor, hilariousness, that means with the funny part, the seriousness is sometimes conveyed. Okay? So this way we have finished this lesson. So, right? Comments comments that are being made by Tableau. Tableau is a humorous character, and moreover, the conversation between Tableau and Frank makes us laugh, and that is the fun element or the humorous element in the play. I hope you have understood all these 3 questions. The 4th question that can be created. Anyone speaking? Wish to speak something? Okay. Cams on, cams are not on. Shall I call the names? It's not good every time wasting time in asking you, please keep your cams on. Please keep your cams on. Very good. Now the 4th question. Contrast between Frank and Crocker Harris. I suppose this you will be able to write. Because we have discussed both the characters, now you have to bring a contrast. Now let me ask. Nishchal, have you understood? Chitransh, unmute yourself and speak fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Supriya, Rabjot, Aditya, Somil, Rishiraj. Have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Sarab, Kanishk Malik, Sujal Sukhija, Gaurav Beniwal. Very good, dear students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Keep your cam on, Gaurav. I can't see you. Okay. So here we end this lesson after 3 sessions. I could have ended yesterday only, but I thought that character sketches sometimes, and this play is wonderful to discuss character sketches. Okay. So now let's I'm ending my class. Okay. Let me take the attendance.